Hi lovely, welcome. I forgot to show you a close look of our sink and faucet as well as our new flooring in our kitchen on my last kitchen review video, so here you go. We got this Delta Task faucet from Lowe's. It has a nice and simple design, comes with a soap dispenser, has a pull down sprayer. It doesn't include the air gap filler, but I ordered mine from Amazon and I just love how it looks in our kitchen. We also got this sink from Amazon, and what I love most about the sink is how big it is in size and how deep it is in depth. You can also use this rack as a drying rack when you wash dishes, which is a plus. Our new flooring is from Home Depot and we went with Apostle Island Oak, so warm and beautiful. I made a more detailed video on our new flooring and I'll link it below for you. Now we'll be moving on to unboxing our new Cuisinart 17-inch slide cabinet organizer that we got from Amazon. This organizer comes with easy installation instructions, template, and basket mat that I really like because it's going to help make cleaning easier. We got 5 17-inch slide organizer. 4 of them will go in the cabinet under our kitchen island and the last one will go in the cabinet under where I'm planning to set up our coffee station.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say, something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay 'cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you.
I just love how it turned out. So beautiful. It's gonna make my job so much easier when it comes to organization. And moving on to installing the last one, I'll make sure to link everything below under my description for you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you are into home organization, cleaning motivation, home decor, motherhood, and everything about home, I will invite you to go ahead and subscribe. I have more home update videos coming your way. So yeah, tune in until the end.
Somebody ought to come along and let you down, so you could see my side and how it feels to hit the ground. How can you say that nothing's different, that we should pick up the pieces? Somebody ought to come along and let you down. If you still wanted to be loved, you should have never let me go. Hope somebody will break your heart and leave you crying home.
That was it for today, lovely. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until I see you on our next one, this is Ethiopia saying goodbye.
Wanted to be loved, you should have never let me go. Somebody said it.